Azerbaijan Mambetov Street is located on the right bank of Nur-Sultan city, which starts from Gumar Karash Street and finishes at Abay Avenue. It crosses Agabay Batır, Amangildi Imanov. Its length is 846 meters. Azerbaijan Mambetov was a national hero of Kazakhstan, national artist of Kazakhstan, famous film director and public figure. Mambetov was a director of Kazakh State Academic Theatre of Drama named after Mukhtar Avezov, as well as a director of Kazakh Film Cinema Studio. He also led Kazakh Music Drama Theatre named after Kalibek Kuanishbayev in Nur-Sultan. He directed numerous widely known films such as Blood and Sweat and Enemy. Walking alongside Mambetov Street, you can reach Ishim River Promenade, which connects all the new parts of capital and is a beloved public place of dwellers. Atarau pedestrian bridge is located alongside the street. Its length is 313 meters, the width 10.5 meters. This unique construction, resembling gigantic white fish, became the most popular place of gathering of city dwellers. Each of 2,450 aluminium forms of the bridge are uniquely designed.